Hi, this is Darren Drew from D. Drew Guitars. I'm still working on this one that I'm filling in from when somebody tried to put a tremolo in. So I got it all rounded out nicely. I have my pieces pre-fit, rounded the edges. I have it marked, arrow going towards the neck. Okay, so I have my black plastic straw, and of course I pre-fit all this stuff. So what I did was, okay, it's up above the thing there, so I have a piece that's going to go here, and a piece that's going to go here to raise it to cover up the straw, right? And then I'll put this piece in, and it will all be just perfectly to the top. But I didn't want to squish the straw because I didn't want to take away room for the wires to go through. And so I'll just leave this sticking out just a bit. I'll get some glue. Fill in this area a little bit. I'll get it on the edges too. Smear it around. Now I'll get my pieces like this, put them in. Push them down, put more glue on this part. And I'm using Titebond 1. You know, it works better. I like Elmer's wood glue the best, pretty much. Make sure that there's enough glue up around these edges. Get a rag, wipe off my finger, put this in, slightly tap it in. I don't want to leave any hammer marks, so I'll just use that. I have it sitting up just a touch so I can sand that away when I make it flush. Now also I'm going to do is I have a piece of ebony here. I'll wipe off this glue first. Put it across here, and then I will just clamp it down with one of these type of clamps and let it sit for a couple of days. See, with this protruding up, this is going to put good pressure on it. Just a little bit to help hold it in. Now I will let it sit for a couple of days. And there you go. That's all there is to it. This is Darren Drew. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks.